Elementary Concepts of Objects and Classes Part 2. Methods. A method is a set of code which is referred to by name, that is identifier, and can be called or invoked at any point in a program simply by just utilizing the method's name. So to define method, a method is a subprogram that acts on data and often returns a value. Each method has a name. A Java program is a collection of different methods. Let's see its syntax. Public is the access specifier, means it can be accessed from anywhere. Static means access modifier, means we can call this method directly using class name without creating an object of it. Void, the return type. Main, method name. String args, accept only string type of argument and stores it in a string array. There are two types of methods, predefined and user-defined methods. Predefined methods are the methods in any programming language that is already defined by the creators of the programming language when they created it. So the collections of predefined methods are called method libraries, and these methods are called library methods. User-defined methods are, user can also define methods inside a class. Such methods are called user-defined methods. Each method performs a certain function in a program with a finite set of statements written by the programmer or the user. Now again there are two types of user-defined methods, static method and instance method. Static method. A static method is a method that can be called and executed without creating an object. They are used to create instance methods. Instance method is a method which requires an object of the class within which it is defined to be created before it can be called. If the method in Java is not clearly defined as stated, it is an instance method. Thank you.